What if I told you that your Firestick or Android TV could unlock everything? Today, I am going to show you a secret installation code that gives you access to a massive private app store loaded with thousands of free movies, current TV shows, live sports, and pay-per-view events. This works on all Fire Sticks, Android TV boxes, and Google TV devices with absolutely zero tech skills required. Let us jump right into the setup. First, we need to install the Downloader application, which is our gateway to unlocking all this content. On your home screen, navigate to the magnifying glass icon and search for Downloader. Look for the orange icon by AFTV News, click Download, and let it install. Do not open the app just yet because we need to adjust your system settings first. To allow installations from outside the official store, head over to your device settings gear and select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options listed, click on About, highlight your specific device name, and click the center button on your remote 7 times. A pop-up will appear saying you are now a developer. Hit the back button, open the new Developer Options menu, and switch ADB debugging to on. Next, click into Install Unknown Apps, find Downloader, and toggle it to on. Now, return to your home screen, launch the Downloader app, and accept the file permissions. Click into the blank URL box at the top and type in the code 10381 to download the private store tool. Hit go, let the file download and select Install. Once it finishes, click Done and select Delete twice to remove the leftover installation file and free up your device storage. Go back to your device settings under Developer Options and turn the Unknown Apps permission on for the new Unlink application. Before you open your new store and run any third-party streaming apps, you must secure your connection. I highly recommend using NordVPN to run any application smoothly on your system. Turning on a premium VPN is essential to hide your streaming activity from your internet service provider, stop data throttling, and completely bypass regional blocks. I have placed the official installation link for NordVPN in the description and top comments below, giving you a 74% discount plus 3 months completely free. To set it up, simply search for NordVPN on your main TV home screen, download the app, and log in. Click Quick Connect or manually select a secure server like the United States. Once the status screen shows you are safely connected, head into the NordVPN settings menu and turn Auto Connect to on. This ensures your identity is fully protected every single time you turn on your television. Now, hit the home button on your remote and launch the Unlink app from the bottom of your list. Click to add a new library and click the center button again to bring up the keypad. Type in the word everything as one single word with no spaces and hit next. Read the welcome message, and then press the center button on your remote 3 times to unlock the fully categorized store layout. You are now inside a massive digital vault with over 100 custom streaming applications, categorized by movies, live television, anime, and sports. To install an app, simply scroll to it, click Download, and wait for the progress bar to hit 100%. Click Install App, confirm the device prompt, and select Done to head back to the store dashboard. I highly recommend downloading 2 or 3 different options so you always have a perfect backup for live events. That concludes today's quick walkthrough for TechVibes. If this secret code helped you unlock a massive library of free content, please drop a like down below to show your support. Leave a comment letting me know which application is your absolute favorite. Smash that subscribe button right now to stay updated on all the best tech tips, and I will see you all in the next video.